Google just dropped Gemma4 and it's completely dominating the open source AI space. It's fast, it has native tool calling, and it rivals massive paid models. But the best part, you don't need to pay Google a single cent to use it. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to download and run Gemma4 completely offline, locally on your machine using Ollama. No expensive API keys, no subscription, and 100% data privacy. Let's get into it. Head over to ollama.com, click on this link here and paste it in your terminal. Now hit enter. It will take a little bit time to run the Ollama, and now look at this. It start downloading for macOS. Once downloaded, to check the Ollama model, first what you have to do is just type Ollama and hit enter. When you hit enter, you can see there is a model version showing and some text. That's the confirmation that Ollama runs successfully. Okay, now it's time to add the model. For that, what you have to do is go to this model and search for Gemma4. So I will just simply go to search and search for Gemma4. Hit enter and you will see look like this. Okay, now here you can see there is a model Gemma4. Just click here and go to here. You can see there are some latest versions 9.6 GB, and there is Gemma4 that is 7 GB, and there is another Gemma that is 9.6 GB. If you want 26 billion parameter, that costs 18 GBs of data space. It depends over you whatever you want. Okay, now what you have to do is simply, okay, let's download this Gemma4 latest. Now what you have to do is simply come here and Ollama run and then paste the model name, hit enter, and what it will do is it will just pulling the manifest, means it will pulling the whole data, like it start downloading. So after downloading we will test this and let's see. So finally it's downloaded and now it's time to test it out. For that, here click enter and here type a message like hello. So as you can see, it perfectly responds and now it's working. So now we will just test it out in another way, like creating something. For that, just go to any ideally like VS Code or anti-gravity. So I'm going to use VS Code, and here I have created a program that runs and work on Gemma4 latest. What it will do is I will just write a prompt and it will generate the code. Okay, and paste in index.html. So let's test it out. Do is go to here and just write a prompt here, create a landing page with navbar and hero section with styling. Now click on generate response. It started generating response here, so just let's wait. So finally the program is created and now let's test it out. For that, what I will do is copy this whole code. Okay, and by the way, if you just go below here, look at this, the instructions it already provided. So without wasting time, just copy this whole code and open a new window or just existing window. I have just created main.html for testing and paste this code. Now let's open with the live server here. Okay, so right click and open with live server and look at this design, guys. Okay, so it looks nice, and if I just if you can see here, the alignment is not perfect and the layout is not perfect at all. Okay, so I just say it's good but not good as Qwen 3.6 plus, because you can see for better accuracy you can use 18 GB of 26 billion parameter or 31 billion parameter you can use, and there are some more as well. If you just click on view only, view all, so go and check this out. Okay, and if you have any issue regarding anything, just let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.